I'm gonna teach an important aspect. Let me stream live first. Going to teach an important aspect. It may be important to you. Let me stream go live on YouTube. Okay, we are live now. Allow me to share my screen. Allow me to share my screen. Like this. And we get into the game. Today, tugenda kwogera ku kye tuyita token economics. Token economics. Well, how do you get the token economics? For example, you've been told of a certain coin. Number one, before even I go into any exchange, I can come here on ChatGPT. I make learning easy for myself, and I tell it to explain. I can start here, explain the token economics. Explain the token economics. Economics. Explain the token economics of I can say token economics of BNB. All right, BNB. So I can ask it like that. And I make a simple, it will give me the token economics of BNB Binance coin. It has given the name BNB Binance coin. They are structured to support the Binance ecosystem while incentivizing use, increasing scarcity over time, and maintaining utility across a wide range of applications. Something that is new here is the ecosystem. When we talk about the ecosystem, what triggers the coin, the community, what they are planning to do, the software used, the hardware, and all the sort. That's what we mean by the ecosystem, okay? Ecosystems are many. And to get these ecosystems, it is okay. It is okay. It is our time. Now talk about the ecosystem. How do I know? Each cryptocurrency has got an ecosystem. Each cryptocurrency has got an ecosystem. And the ecosystem we are talking about, I'm going to show you the ecosystems. It means each cryptocurrency has got an ecosystem. Okay, so this is what we call the ecosystems. Okay, we have the when you open up CoinMarketCap wogigulawo ejja kushowkeza wano ku coins. Wanegenda kwekulaga coins ezenjawulo, oyinza okukwata mu watchlist and go creating a watchlist ezo. My first watchlist, you can go to index scan. It can give you the DEX scan. If you have any coin you want to know about, you just bring your what? You just bring your contract address, paste it here, and coin market cap will be showing you where that coin is. Okay, that's the desk scan. Then you have the overview. The overview, when you tap on the overview, it will not change. It will give you those coins, the trending, the new, the gainers, and those ones that are trending in the 24 hours. So you have the earn, you leave it. You have exchanges, but our interest here is in the, our exchanges here is within the ecosystem, okay? Is what we call the ecosystem. So an ecosystem is a project, and when you tap on the, these are chains, the chain name, Ethereum chain, and they show you the amount of projects on that chain, okay? Have Tron with 15 projects, have Solana with 26 projects. So you have Ethereum. So when you tap on Ethereum, Ethereum will give you its coins that are on its ecosystem, okay? So for you to know that this coin is on the Ethereum, you can tap on here and look at them on the TVL ranks. When we talk about the TVL ranks, TVL means total value locked. The total value locked, how do you get the total value locked? For example, they created a coin, and within that coin, there is locked liquidity in the coin. The locked liquidity in the coin at times, it is very important to that person who is holding. Omuntu nga holdinga the total value locked. Total value locked, gwe muwendo gwe babeera balookingira mu coin eyo. Omuwendo gwe babeera balookingira mu coin eyo, kigisobozesa okugiyimirizaawo. Total value locked, ngenda kukuwa ekyokulabirako. Who is that one making noise? Total value locked, ngenda kukuwa ekyokulabirako nga bw'onaalaba coin ya OM. Nti total value locked ya OM yabadde ntono nnyo to the extent that when people pulled out their money, the coin went down. So most of the time, wetwagala okutunira cryptocurrency, tuba twagala okulaba nga total value locked eno contributing kinene in the ecosystem, oba contributing kinene ku coin. In that, nti omuntu kinnomu senga aba aserinze assets in that specific category, or in that specific coin, it doesn't affect the entire system. For example, kyabadde kizibu nnyo OM community okukkirizisa abantu nti the money that was pulled out of the coin, for them they didn't know however much it was right. But what happened? Their total value locked was too small. Their total value locked was too small. The extent that somebody can rug pull. Most of the time, ne wobeera nga tradinga obanga wobeera nga oli mu holding a coin, you look at this TVL, or the total value locked. Most of the time, we want the total value locked to be more. Why? Obanga coin watusobola girag pullinga. So when you tap there, you will see the Ethereum. You will see coins on Ethereum. You tap on Tron, you will see them. Solana, you see them. Arbitrum, you will see them. Avalanche, you will see them. Polygon projects, you will see them. Base 73. I have 3 projects. We have Optimism. So these all here are the ecosystem. Even here you can get the coin categories. Okay. So when we talk about the blockchains or the chains, so we have Ethereum. So you have Tron, you have Solana, you have BSC Smart Chain, Binance Chain projects. What does it mean? For example, if I want to transfer a coin from one exchange to another, I should, for example, I want to transfer AAV or AAV3, or I want to transfer this alpaca here. Okay, there's alpaca. I don't know that you've seen alpaca, because alpaca is familiar to you. So once I want to transfer alpaca, I have to use the BSC Smart Chain. Why? Because alpaca is seated on this chain. So all the coins you see here are seated on the BSC smart chain, okay? So kichwano kikigenda kokola tugezaako kokola token economics, okay? For example, tukola token economics. Tutunulidde chains ez'enjawulo era chain bazikuwa ne bakulagana ne bakulagana coins ezitudde ku chain okwo. Ethereum project yagiranga etuddeko 639, Tron, Solana, BSC, Arbitrum, Avalanche, Polygon, Base, Sui, Optimism, Nia, Chronos, Bitcoin, Ginos, Aptos, Scroll, Cover, Tone, Cardano, Mantle, Blast, Algorand. So these are all what? These are all chains. Now, what's the importance of a chain? For example, I'm transferring, for example, when you look at Solana, Arbitrum, I see it is having very many tokens or coins, and they're ranking them according to the total value locked of a coin. When you, for example, I want for example, I bought my Ondo. I bought my Ondo Finance, and I want to transfer Ondo from Binance. I want to transfer Ondo from Binance, maybe to make Zik, okay? I want to transfer Ondo from Binance to make Zik. Now, when I'm transferring Ondo, I have to make sure to know, I must know on system, on which chain is Ondo seated, such that during my transfer, I can transfer Ondo using the Solana ecosystem or the Solana network. You understand? So that is the Solana network. So once you transfer Ondo, once you transfer Ondo, it is on the Solana network, and for you, once you are depositing, you deposit on Avalanche, or you deposit on MetaVault, or you deposit on Solend, this Ondo will get lost. Why? You have used the difference chain. So once you are transferring, you first look at a coin and you say, on which network is it? You say Etherscan, you say just know that this one is the Ethereum. So you make sure in your transfer, you want to use Ethereum. Are we together? Give me one in the chat if you are together. Give me one in the chat. Just give me one in the chat if you are together. Give me one in the chat if you are together. Just give me one in the chat. Tap one. Tap one in the chat. Type one. Type one. Type one in the chat if you are together. If you are transferring a coin, ogijamu exchange, exchange endala, making sure you are using Japheth. What's wrong? You're not together? Ozerete. We are streaming live onto the YouTube channel. Japheth, you are not understood. Japheth, twogera ku token economics. Etugamba ku token economics tugerako ebintu bingi. Twatandise na token economics, etugamba tewemenya. First come to chat GTP and type on the token economics of a coin you want to talk about. Then, during wetwale tujyogerako coin eno, token economics ya BNB, twayogedde ku BSC smart chain. Ojja kulanga wano bayogeddeko ku BSC smart chain. So, bayogedde ku BSC smart chain, I wanted to come here and show you different chains. Kyembadde ndiko nti Solana chain, those are all chains, and all coins have chains. So once you transfer a coin or you want to deposit a coin, you use that chain, okay? You use that very what? That very chain. So here, we now token unlocks, they are very important. Also MBL, that's Mbaraka. Mbaraka, the next unlock is 10.0. So that's why even meme coins, I discourage you from trading meme coins. Now you can see Mbaraka. Mbaraka has been performing a bit better. Now there is a progress 17.33. So coins, wajana token unlocks, not only coin is kind of when zikola unlocks, kitegeza those coins, they are mintable. They can produce any coins at any time. They don't have a maximum supply. So not trading, I would expect you to trade a coin, to hold a coin with a maximum supply, because whenever they unlock more coins, it disrupts the market, okay? It increases supply, and this one surpasses, it doesn't, and the supply overpowers demand. So this one reduces the price of the coin. Okay, can give you an example of XRP that, right, it was once at $3. So because of the consistency, because of the consistently unlocking tokens, you can see that its price now it is at $2.something. You understand? So being a good project is all right, but it keeps on unlocking very many tokens. So so when you come back here, they are talking about Binance ecosystem wider incentive use, increasing scarcity over time, and maintaining utility across a wide range of applications. Here is a breakdown of BNB economics. So when you talk about the token economics, so you can see that ChatGPT has just given you a hint, but that's why I grabbed it. It has talked about the initial supply and launch. Initial total supply is 200 million BNB. Launch, BNB was launched through an ICO in July 2017. ICO in full means initial coin offering, okay? Initial coin offering. That's one way of how people get crypto. So 40%, which is 80 million to Binance team, is locked for a period and released gradually. You can see that it doesn't have a maximum supply. And the 10%, which is 20 million to angel investors, as well as 50%, which is 100 million sold in the ICO initial coin offering. So the initial coin offering is the system gye bateekawo sobozesa abantu ababulijjo okugabana ku cryptocurrencies ezo ICOs, initial coin offerings. Number 2, there is a ban mechanism, deflationary model. Binance using a quarterly ban mechanism based on trading volume on Binance, and now BNB auto ban. BNB auto ban, automatic formula driven system adjusts the amount of BNB banned based on price and supply. Target reduce total supply from 200 million to 100 million over time. Now, every cryptocurrency undergoes a specific, it can undergo specific, I can call them operations, I can call them activities, and this one is made to increase the value of the coin. For example, wetunuulira ku BNB eyina quarterly mechanism model. What is ban? What is a ban? A ban or to ban or a ban mechanism means to reduce, means to diminish the quantity, to diminish quantity of a cryptocurrency, to reduce the quantity. When they say that I heard of OM, it is gonna ban its tokens. Remember, OM right now has 2 million. It has 2 million tokens, and now it's gonna ban. And once it does so, it will have given BNB it will have given OM a chance to raise in price. Take for example, tubale tulina BNB 10. Kakati lero tulina BNB 10 ne bajja ne bokyako ne babaninga oba ne bokyako 25. Netusigazaawo BNB 75. What will happen to the price? Okay, let me see what will happen to the price. Tuba twale ne BNB 10 ne bokyako BNB 25, and the 25 are banned. Remaining the 75. It means it has reduced in quantity. What do you expect will happen to its price? Give me an answer in the chat. Or you can raise up the arm and you give me the answer. Singa twale BNB 10, BNB 10 Binance nejja ne baningako BNB 25. Netusigazaawo BNB 75. Kigenda ku affectinga kya price yakyo. Give us the answer. How is it going to affect its price? The price will drop. Thank you for trying. Why will it drop? It will get demand. Thank you very much. Its price will go up. Thank you very much, Sandy Douglas. Yes. Its price will go up. Remember, tubadde, let me give you an example. Okay.
tubadde ne BNB 10 ku BNB 10 ne bagamba tugenda kujjako BNB 25 tuzibanning. We are banning this to ashes. We don't want it to exist anymore. So you are remaining with 75. It means these 75 BNB are going to get high demand. High demand means high demand means that the coin is expensive now. The coin is expensive. It creates a demand because they are few. Some tokens have been banned and now they are few. So Binance talks about this, that it can do this. Binance talks about this, that Binance yogera kino nti ekikola on a quarterly basis, okay? A quarterly basis. So in every quarter, it burns off some of its coin tokens to maintain the quality and the price of BNB. BNB auto ban undergoes the auto ban. Undergoes the auto ban. Automatic formula driven system adjusts the amount of BNB banned based on price and supply. Okay. Utility of BNB. Tuli mkwogera ku token economics wa BNB. Utility of BNB. BNB is a utility token with various uses across the Binance ecosystem. On Binance, the ecosystem chechi. Tugamba the group of people, the community, the hardware and software use, that is the ecosystem. So on Binance Exchange, trading if you discount, users get 20 discounts initially up to 50% when using BNB to pay fees. That's very usual. That's why that's why ntera nnyo okugamba abaana, if you have a coin that sold but didn't give out the profits, you have small assets, please change the small assets to BNB, okay, and leave it in the BNB. Why? Because even if ojiteka wano trading fee, so ojiteka wano so ojiteka mu BNB nti senga mbadde trading a coin eyo nesigazamu small profits oba unconverted profits nga ntono, nja kuddira profits ezo converting into BNB. BNB njireke. Waki BNB njireka? BNB njirekayo dino. Singa Binance ban tradinga ejja kusala gas fees ne take fees. Esala gas fees ne take fees. However, gas fees and take fees. Naye bw'ebeera esala ng'olina mu BNB egisala kitono. Ate singa obeeramu ne cryptocurrency yo naye egisala kinene. Nfuna bulungi. Take for example that you are transferring a cent from Airtel to Airtel. From Airtel to Airtel, you can do a lot, okay? Nti from what transferring a cent was here to Airtel, was to Airtel line. In between here, because you are using the same Airtel to Airtel, you will be charged less, okay? Charged less. But if you are transferring from one ecosystem to another, so from one line to another, they will charge you more. So wano kyetuli mukwogerako nti discounts initially up to 50% when using Binance to pay fees, BNB to pay fees. So buli wolekamu BNB mu exchange yo bweba kutuuka okusala gas fee bateeka fee, exchange akusala katono nnyo okusinga gwa just USDT, okay? So Alphabet assets used to participate in token sales on Binance Launchpad, okay? So these are one of the utilities of BNB. VIP program and using Binance and products, VIP memberships, and the other picks. So beyond Binance, it is giving you here a hint that Binance Smart Chain is used to pay gas fees like Ethereum on Ethereum. Even BNB is used to pay gas fees on the BSC network, from BSC network to BSC network. So it is used to pay gas. The DeFi and the DApps, DeFi kitegeeza decentralized finance, ate DApps kitegeeza decentralized applications. So used in DeFi apps, staking, liquidity pools, lending, and borrowing in ebirala. So you get the NFTs and gaming. BNB is used in NFT platforms and blockchain games built on BSC. Payments are accepted by various merchants and provide platforms for payments. So this is it. BNB. Bogera saturating supply of BNB. As of now, the circulating supply is decreasing over time due to the ban mechanisms. Yeah, all right. You can always check the latest data on sites like CoinMarketCap or Binance official ban tracker. So you have calculate Griffin. BNB, it has staking and yield. People can stake a BNB and yield profit. Why the BNB isn't a traditional proof of stake, a coin, it can be dedicated in BSC validator nodes for passive income. That's one. Used in liquidity farms used in liquidity farming and votes for yield generation. So bajja kuwa wano bategezaako kuwa table the featured and the description. Total supply bagikuwa the 200 million. Target supply 100 million after the bans. What are they targeting after the bans? So they target after the bans to reduce their 200 million coins back to 100 million. You understand? A banning mechanism, quarterly bans, auto ban. So bakitegeka nga abakitegekera ku smart contract nti BNB choose a cutting oba a reducing assets zaayo quarterly. Okay, it reduces those what? A reducing a quarterly. Quarter kitegeeza a quarter. Okay, in each quarter of a year, it makes sure that BNB bans some of the tokens or eliminates them. Now we have banning mechanism in Yimaze, we have key out utilities. Trading fee discount, gas fees, launchpad, DeFi in the payments. Those ones are a bit easier network, Binance Chain and Binance Smart Chain. Those are two different networks, have the Binance Chain and the Binance Smart Chain. So, whether I want more content. Now, we can stop there on BNB. Now, BNB, just research. Now, you can go still. You can open your Binance account. You open your Binance account and you can open your Binance account and search for BNB. We are doing token economics. We are doing token economics. So you come here where there is a search bar. You come where there is a search bar and you put BNB. So kino ketutunulirwa kino ketulaba information yo like tulaba tusobola gikola like tusobola kikola ku coin endala. Okay, so I'm just teaching BNB. It means you can look at other factors and keep them constant. Then you find out which cryptocurrency is better for you. So nkwata wano ngenda ku searching BNB. Nkwata wano ngenda ku searching BNB. BNB. Nkwata ngenda searching BNB USDT. Okay, that is BNB USDT, and I will now make sure that I tap on the spot and they give me the spot pairs, but I have to make sure that I'm on USDT, BNB USDT. All right. BNB USDT. So I tap on it, BNB Smart Chain, or the Binance coin, or the BNB coin. So ogulawo wano egenda kuwa ebintu ebyenjawulo. Number one, we are doing token economics. It is gonna give you the price of BNB. It's gonna give you its information. Again, trading data and the square. Okay, and the square. Now, when you look at here, you will look at the what? You will look at the price. Ogenda price here, and how this price has deviated in the last 24 hours. It will tell you the category of the coin. So it is a layer 1, layer 2. hot. It is a layer 1, layer 2 what? Layer 1, layer 2 coin when it comes to Binance. Okay. All time high, all time low. Volume 24 hours, volume BNB 24 hours. So this one, there's some valid information. Right here, you will see that. You see the time frames, and when you tap on more, you will see more time frames. So this is Binance ID, or this is Binance USDT, or BNB USDT. And when you try, so bonatunula wano, wansi, there is an order book or waliwo order book. Order book ekolebwa abantu. Order book ekolebwa abantu. For this order book, okubeera ngeri existinga wano, nti bagenda kuwa nti no, for price, for this coin to be in, or to have liquidity, it should be buying, kubanga inaba buyers, never sellers, okay? So berange inaba buyers, these are buyers and these are sellers. What we call a bid and the ask. So this is bid and this is the ask. This is bid and this is that. The ask. Now, for someone to buy, you should be having somebody to buy from. Or for somebody to sell, you should be having somebody to sell to. Okay. Now, that's why people come in this order block and place their orders. Okay. People come here and place their what? Their orders. Why? Because they want the exchange to match them, to match their buyers, to match them as buyers to sellers, or to match them as the sellers to buyers. So for you to buy, Ethereum, at 599.72, I need somebody here with a 599.72. If I don't get this person, my order will not be matched because I will not have somebody to buy from or to exchange with. Understand? So this is BNB Smart Chain. That is the order book. Order book. In details. And in details. So this is the order book. Now, we have looked at Binance.com. We have looked at it is a layer 1. It is a layer 1. It is a layer 1. When you look at it as a layer 1, you come here on information. Token economics. Now, here on info or information, this is the most important part. This is the most important part on a coin, okay? Number 1, it will be showing you the name and the exchange that is buying a BNB Smart Chain. BNB, it is a ticker name, okay? But it is a Binance coin. So, that is it. Ticker name is a small, is a short form. For example, XRP. XRP is the ticker name of Ripple. Sol is a ticker name of Solana. BNB is a ticker name of Binance Coin. That is it. So when you talk about the ticker name, it means a small, is tutegeza wetwogera ku BNB oba wetwogera ku ticker name tutegeza short form of that coin. Give me 2 if we are together and I continue. Give me 2 in the chat. Give me 2 if we are together. Give me 2 in the chat. Give me 2 in the chat. Give me 2 in the chat and we continue. Give me 2 in the chat and we continue. Yes, 2. Give me 2 in the chat and we continue. Give me 2 in the chat and we continue. 2. So the 2s I've got have enough. Let me continue. Jangu 1 now. What is Now, number 1, they have given you the coin. Number 2, it has given you the rank. It is ranked number 5 on the coin market cap. All right. Coin market cap, its coin market cap is 84.62 billion now. 0.2 billion. So that is the total amount of money people have invested in this coin of BNB. It has a total market cap. Total market cap, amount of money invested that in that coin at that particular time is called the coin market cap, 84.62 billion. Okay, that is the coin market cap. Now we have fully diluted market cap. Now, if these ones are disturbing you, for example, fully diluted market cap, come here. I give you things. I simplify for you things. Come here and ask ChatGTP, what is the fully diluted market cap? Come here and ask ChatGTP, what is what? Don't say that for me I don't know, and you know my method. Not tell me what is fully diluted market cap. Fully diluted. The word is diluted. What is fully diluted market cap mean? Fully diluted market cap mean in crypto. Mean in crypto. As simple as that. What does it mean in crypto? Tap like this. So you say, what is fully diluted market cap mean? It will give you an example. A fully diluted market cap in crypto refers to the total value of a cryptocurrency if all possible coins or tokens were in saturation. Twagamba no coin ebeera ne maximum supply. Coin ebeera ne maximum supply. Oba esobola okubeera ne esobola okuba nga terina maximum supply. Coin okubeera ne maximum supply kitegeeza nti nno coin zonna kitegeeza teri mintable. Coin zonna baziteeka mu saturation. Okitegeera. Naye ate bwe twogera ku coin nga terina ng'eri minted nga terina maximum supply kitegeeza they will keep on unlocking tokens. So bwe twogera ku
Okay, sorry for the inconvenience caused, but I had to receive that call. I had to receive that call. Let me come back here. Now, when you talk about the token economics, tuba twogera ku bino byolaba wano on this coin. So bwe tujja kweno coin, tuba tugenda wano mu info, tugenda wano mu information, tap on information here. Oh, sorry. Let me search for this again. BNSC, tap on info. So it will give you all this. It will click agenda kuwa token rank. Am I loud and clear? Am I loud and clear?
Yes.
Somebody tell me that I'm loud and clear. Okay. Egenda kuwa okwata mu information ya oba mu info. Egenda kuwa market cap ya egenda kuwa ranking on its coin market cap, that it is number 5 on the coin market cap. Egenda kuwa market cap ya your full market cap. Market cap ye 84.62 billion. Market cap we gibagamba it is 84.62 billion at a current price at this moment. Then fully diluted market cap, you can know coin we bagikola most of the time baba bagireleasinga in tons tibagireleasinga yonna. So tubeera ne value locked. Kati wona tuna BNB has maximum supply. Kati maximum supply kwe kubeera nga coin zonna zonna ezaakolebwa they are in saturation. So that's why into no market cap here, its market cap is also equivalent to the fully diluted market cap. So the market cap is 84.62 billion and the fully diluted market cap is also 84.62 billion. What does it mean? It means that the market cap is equivalent to the fully diluted market cap because it has the maximum supply. All the coins are in saturation. So how the market dominance, how it dominates the market. So it dominates the market by 3.0201%. How its volume is 1.39 billion, and the volume ratio to market cap, the volume to market cap ratio is 1.64%. Circulation supply 140.89 million BNB. Total supply is 140.89 million BNB. That's why you can see that the circulation supply and the total supply are the same. Why? It has the maximum supply. Issue date, it was issued on 8th on that is 8th of July 2017. Issue price, it came at a price of 0.15. Okay, that's when it came into existence. So in 2017, it was at a price of 0.15, and right now it is at $600. It is $600. How many years are those? Around 2017. Now around like when you look at 2017 and you subtract 2025, you can see the range in between there. For it to hype from 0.15 to back to $600, you can see the all-time high is 793. I think that was during the halving, and the all-time low is 0.096, like that. It also gives you that date. All right. So this is the token economics. So wobango trading a coin, gikebereko gisachingeko nga tusomye ku BNB, gena nayo coin gisachingeko ugambe ranking yayo, market cap yayo. Does it have a fully diluted market cap? Does it have a saturating supply? Is the saturating supply equaling the total supply? Then it has maximum supply. Does the coin market cap, does it this market cap equivalent to the fully diluted market cap? Look at its dominance, look at its volume, because we trade the volume. Look at the circulation supply. Look at the TVL ratio. So the all-time high, if you date. So this is what we call token economics. You can go even and talk about the trading data of a coin. Trading data, it will show the money inflow. Money inflow. Hello?
Madam Plus, katono mbadde nkubuuza nti kati coin bwetaba na fule gundi ekule nzinze yonna ali kyogeddeko bakibadde fully diluted market cap olabyawo ate banungi trading
ebeera nnungi okutradinga, but you trade knowing that the market will be diluted. If somebody oba omuntu yagula oba omuntu nga yagula omuntu wabanga yagula XRP yonagula ku dollar like $2 or $3 and they release more coins, it bagenda kudiluting market. So it can be good, it can be bad, but when going trade this coin I'm dealing with is mintable. At any time they can bring in new coins. So coin yekolebwa nga ina maximum supply ebeera nani mintable. Ate gye bakola nga ina nga teyina maximum supply nga they will keep on releasing more tokens. That is what we call mintable. Nti the coin is mintable. Buli kaseera gyabajja kuba nga bareleasinga tokens empya. So but okureleasinga tokens empya ki increasing a supply. It increases supply and this one leads to low demand. You understand? High supply, low demand, and that's the price goes down. So it is important to you to know that whether the coin is mintable or it is non-mintable. Now BNB has a maximum supply. It is non-mintable. It's a good coin to invest in for a longer term because there is nothing like producing a new BNB. Okay? There is nothing like creating more tokens of BNB. It means it will always be on a high demand. Are we together? Always again ku high demand. Allow me complete. I'm against time. Now here it will give you the trading data. It will give you the money flow analysis in different time frames. It will give you the time flow analysis in different time frames. So you can see the buyers in one day, they are taking control 25%, they are taking control 18%, they are taking control 8.6. So this is 22, this is 18, this is 6. Most of the time, when you want to enter the market, you make sure that this one is better than this one because you will buy, especially in the spot market. So you want to follow the direction bias. What are you doing? Are you selling or are you buying? So once it is a directional bias of buying, make sure that you can see that even the candle here is a green candle. Okay. Last what? Yes, you can look at the what. So it also shows you the large inflow in the last 24 hours in the 5 days. So this is 5 days large inflow. So you can see that buyers to control, buying, selling was here. It means BNB is more bullish than bearish. Okay. It means BNB is more bullish than bearish in the last 5 days. That is the money flow chart. And when you look at it here, you will see that on the money flow chart, you will see that it keeps on going up like this. You understand? So that is the money flow chart. What else should I talk about? I can talk about the square. A square, what people are talking about, okay? Or what people are talking about. Do you feel about BNB today? How do you feel about it today? I can say I feel bullish, okay? So once I tap on bullish, it will give me that most people have chosen bullish. That's why bullish is at 76%. And very few people have said that it will be bearish, and that's why it is 24%. So it will be giving you the latest news. When you tap on the latest, they will be giving you like this one. Daro JR has just given some information. 1 minute entry zone 599 to 601. ID buy zone, that's the buy zone retest. Has given a target that your target will be that. Now this one seems a signal. Okay, this one has just given a signal in 1 minute that you can trade this coin. Your target is 604, the second target is 608, and the second target is 612. So within 1 minute has just dropped a signal and has made some analysis on this coin. So you can see what people are talking about it, the day of Pepe up to 0.547. So you can look at here and look at different things, what people are talking about the coin, what people are talking about different coins, okay? Now, you can tap on hot. You can tap on hot how much can BNB reach this month? Okay, yeah, 1 day left. How much can it reach this month? So I can say 650. Help him to choose, okay? And when you choose there, you can see that most people have chosen A and they're 85%. So you can see BTC rebounds, BSC holder, hyper, Solana, Sailor BTC purchase. So you can see that Michael Saylor bought more BTC, and that's why the market is somehow bullish. This did I hope BTC go down holding? So you can see what people are talking about here on hot. You can tap on market, and see CoinGap Media. So CoinGap Media in the last 35 minutes has just given some. They don't come here. So you can see that in the last 35 minutes, someone has said the top 3 blue chip outer coin is to buy if Trump fires Fed chair Jerome Powell. This is the trending news that has made the market bullish. That Trump is forcing Powell. Powell is the chairman of Fed, and Fed means Federal Reserve. Okay, so President Trump lured or forced Powell to reduce the interest rates. With Bitcoin and the top cryptos already up to 1% this week, markets are eyeing a weaker USD and potential Bitcoin plus gold stag if Powell is ousted. Here is what to watch. So people give out some news, and this is the news that always affects the market. When we talk about fundamentals, this is the news that always affects the market. We have broker chain within 1 hour has just announced that the 50th round of TVL incentive plan has been ended. So you can see that this in the last just 1 hour, 3 hours, people have just put in some music. So you can go ahead and tap on the square, and you see the market can tap on the square. So gina numaso no kwangu bisoma called the BNB smart BNB chain TVL twagame kigeza total value locked incentive program. 5 has officially wrapped. So ojagena maso no kubanga osoma ku bintu bino bijja bisobola okuyambako okugira ka market. So ojja kulaba nti nno some people can even give signals, but don't rely on them unless you make your own analysis and data. So ebintu bino so ogenda maaso n'okubanga obisomako. So twogera ku technical economics unless you have something to talk about. So they will give you multiple charts. So these are multiple charts. Okay, we can take you. These are multiple charts. You can use them. You can tap them and use the multiple charts if you want. That's all I had to talk about today. Unless you have something to talk about, I want you to join Mr. Kawanda's lesson at 7:30 and have a nice day. So if you return token economics, so people, what are people talking about it? Community area, that is it, token economics. So olowooza obitegedde by'osobola okubesingako. So even the token yennyini osobola n'okugenda wano. For example, nojja wano ku Binance, nyinako esikulaze. You can come here on Binance. Sorry, this is Royal. Have Binance. I want Binance. So when you tap on Binance, it opens. Once you tap on Binance, it opens. You search for the coin, for example, BNB. So chatting on for example. So ekyo kikuyamba ki olina kijja bino byenkugamba bijja kuyambangako mu coin selection okumanya coin ekijja olina okutradinga. Is it mintable? Does it have a good community? So when you tap on info here, wansi eno badde saakulazeeyo naye waliyo social media. So okukwata ku social media n'ogenda ku social media handles zaabwe. BNB Smart Chain is on X 2 days ago. The BNB Chain TVL incentive program. The 5 has officially wrapped. So You can tap on the official website, Block Explorer report. So you can tap on the official website, no visiting official website here, because that's when you get the community. You can tap on there and see there. Now this is their what? This is their community. AI first all in one BNB. Okay, so you can see what is happening on here. So ogenda maaso n'okusoma ku bintu ebyenjawulo wano ku BNB era bakugamba view more programs as X Telegram. So you can tap on X. So tappinga mu X yayo era ejja ginzigulira. So this is the community we are talking about. Tunulira ba followers verina, ba subscribers verina, tunulira 3.8 million followers and 600, it is following 262 people. So you can tap on follow and you follow their what? You can tap on follow and you also tap on their what? You can also tap on the what? You can tap on the bell and you can decide which notification do you want to get. Okay, I want to turn on notification for this account. You can get notifications for all the accounts, posts, all posts and replies. You can get notifications for this account, posts and replies. So all that. So ojakula a set of accounts that work well with BNB. So ojakula mantino math wallet ojakula abantu they are that you can also follow these accounts to know about more about this program. Okumanya kweno chain. So ojakula ntino there are very many things here. Ogenda maso nokubanga obikolachi. So this is how we look for information. This is how we look for information. There is affiliates here. There is replies. So information is all know what people are talking about it, because now this is their official what X. So ojawano no lava information unless you have anything to ask me. But let me stop here and I send it to Mr. Kavanda. Go into technical analysis and learn all the sort. Unless I have any question to ask, allow me to stop here. See me in the evening.
Yes, madam.
Yes. All right.
Yes, hello.
Hello.
Mbalamusizaako nnyo mwenna ba members. Mwebale kufaayo okuyiga. Mwebale kubeera mu lesson. Madamu naye tukwebaza okutuwa kirasi yaffe ey'okumakya. Ebadde nsuffu nnyo. Wadde nga tubaddeko nga tubuukabuuka naye ejja kwongera otukolera abaddeko nga tuli serious. So bannange mwenna benna beetaze SDT, ntunda SDT. Kubanga omanyi nti weetaze SDT osobola okunnoonyako inbox nze M Bernard. Namba yange weeri awo. Nogenda tukola transaction yonna gy'oba weetaaze. Madamu sina kye nnyinza kwongerako mpozzi nga wali alina kyakyabuuza.
Okay, allow me to stop here. Thank you for coming. See you in the evening. Nice day.